Hey guys, Mitchy T here for your summer tips. More like summer tips, am I right? Because we're talking about sun protection. That's right, heat waves are coming all across Australia. We have to be the front runners on how to stop melanomas. And I want to help you guys, because if it helps me and it works for me, it's going to work for you guys. 40-degree days, they are coming. Oh, summer's coming. Something's coming. Summer is coming, okay? And you gotta be smart. But first of all, guys, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel here. And get all your hot tips, because we're talking about summer. Right, my first product today, guys, is from the Cancer Council. Because they are the Cancer Council, you know that they are a council for against cancer. That's how you know. Now they got a water sport because you want to play, you want to be in the water, down by the beach. You're like, I can't use sunscreen, mum, because I'm going to be in the water. Well, that's why they come out with water sport sunscreen, okay? So guys, don't get too overzealous. I know you fellas, you know, little 1, 2, and you want to spurt it all out. No, you just want little bits and you want to just dab it on, okay? You don't want to be too silly, okay? Just a little bit of here, a little bit here, and a little bit here. Oh jeez, hell. Your next product, guys, is the spray from the Cancer Council. Now, we worked with the Cancer Council before. That is a council that is against cancer. Maybe you want a little spray. You know, maybe it makes you smell good too. Maybe the girls are out and they don't want to see you rubbing and dabbing and you don't want to give your tricks away. But what you want to do is you just want to spray it. Walk through, you know, a little spritz here, walk through. You ready? Just before you do head to the beach, give yourself a little spray. Next, guys, you might be thinking this next bit, you might be thinking, Mitch, why do you have your eyes closed? Is it because you sprayed yourself in the eye with sunscreen while trying to make a video? No, it's not, but thanks for asking. This final bit to finish off your amazing look, want to have a bit of zinc, okay? If you can't afford zinc, or you forgot to go to the shops to get zinc before you make a video, maybe you can use a permanent marker. All you got to do, tap it in there, tap it in there, and there you go, guys. You are ready for summer. The problem with some of these is if you don't do them correctly, your eyes swell up and you nearly go blind. So what I'm going to need you guys to do is to like, comment, share, and I can maybe review more products, the sunscreens that you guys have or want me to see, or maybe even next week I'll take care of a tan video. Alright guys, teach you guys how to tan safely but also look good. I'm going to go now and wash this vigorously out of my eyes because I can't read properly, but it says something about here that if you get it in your eyes, you may go blind. So, Mitchy T signing off once again, and hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Ah!